Hello, everyone. Once again, welcome to this week's Weekly Wisdom. I'm Ed Jurecki, and today we're exploring the art of strategic limitation. Why the most successful entrepreneurs don't overcome constraints, they leverage them. So here's a counterintuitive truth. Constrained startups actually grow 28% faster than counterparts when they applied structured constraint management. Your biggest bottleneck isn't your enemy, it's your hidden gold mine. So what are some of the most common challenges? Most entrepreneurs exhaust themselves fighting fires across multiple fronts, trying to fix everything simultaneously. The reality? Research shows 73% of business constraints are self-imposed through our own processes and assumptions. We become our own worst enemy, creating complexity where simplicity would serve us much better. Without a framework for priorities, we feel trapped with no clear path to breakthrough. There are just too many things that seemingly need fixing. So here are three game-changing strategies from our own entrepreneurial growth framework. First, apply assembly line thinking. Your business only moves as fast as your slowest component. Identify that one constraint dictating your entire system's speed. Second, use a five-step liberation framework. Identify, exploit, subordinate, elevate, and repeat. Companies following these cycles see 37% faster time to market. Third, focus on your comparative advantage. What produces the largest return on your energy, equity, and effort? This eliminates waste on low-impact activities. The results can be remarkable. A few examples. Amazon turned bandwidth constraints into AWS, now a $90 billion business. Instagram's founders, constrained by mobile complexity, stripped features to focus on filters, achieving 25,000 signups per hour at launch. And Toyota's systematic constraint management reduced manufacturing defects by 89% while maintaining production speed. Remember, constraints don't limit great entrepreneurs, they reveal them. Your next breakthrough is hiding in plain sight, disguised as your most frustrating limitation. This week, identify your primary constraint and ask yourself, how could this limitation become my competitive advantage?